Hi guys, welcome to another program in Marine Technical Training Academy. Yes, starting in January 6th, we are going to start the group of classes of electricity and electronics, the Marine Electrical Program, Basic Electricity, Advanced Electricity and Electronics. This is a wonderful program. It's 1 month per course, one course in January, the second one in February, and the third one in March. Okay, 3 months, and that's it. It's simple. You enter in my website at www.mttedu.org. Okay, you select the programs, and in programs you found the electrical program. You have different programs, electrical program, transmission and engine program. We are going to offer that program also starting in January. In the electrical program, you make a click, and in that program, you can select the option completely online and the option mixed, blended. Okay, in this program, the virtual mode, the online, those prices are only until December 20, is $960 in the full online mode. 3 courses: basic electricity, advanced electricity, and electronics. Okay, you enter here, you enroll in the course. If you live here in South Florida, in Broward County, in Miami-Dade County, or West Palm Beach County, you can register in the blended mode. In the blended mode, we have laboratories every day, Monday to Thursday, from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. And this is wonderful. Each course is 4 weeks, and the 3 courses is approximated 3 months. Okay, you are very welcome to enroll in the electrical program. We are going to cover it completely, the Marine Electricity Handbook. The Marine Electricity Handbook, the first 8 chapters are dedicated for the course of basic electricity, DC current. And the rest of the chapter, from chapter 9 to chapter 17, is dedicated to advanced electricity. All the topics related with the generators, inverters, shore powers, transformers, and hybrid boats. And the course number 3 is Marine Electronics, following the book of Marine Electronics. In that course, we are going to study all the protocol related with the NEMA, National Marine Electronics Association. And we are going to learn the process to create the NEMA backbone, the process to install electronic equipment, and we are going to prepare my students to take the MEI certification, that certification. At the end of that course, you are ready to take the certification. That certification is not included in the course of, in the price of the course. Also, when you finish the electrical courses, basic electricity and advanced electricity, you will be ready to take the ADYC electrical certification. Once again, the price of that certification is not included in the price of the course. Okay, enter in my website, check the program, the electrical program, in both modes, in a virtual mode or a blended mode, depending if you live in South Florida. If you live here, you can assist to the laboratories, enroll in the blended mode, and assist to the laboratories every day from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. The electrical courses are the fundamentals, the basic for the rest of the courses. In the future, you can take courses of engines, transmissions, corrosion, air condition, hydraulic systems. All of those courses depend on the electrical courses. Okay, we are going to start the laboratories on January 6th at 7 a.m. in the morning, and I hope you enroll right now, because there are a little seats available in that wonderful program, the Marine Electrical Program.